Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I am in Montclair, California for a photo booth rental event. This is just a digital only event. It is on a Tuesday and I got this gig from posting in a Facebook group. It cost me nothing. Literally guys, it's just copy and paste that I do to all the other groups and made me $420. It's a 2-hour event and I just wanted to give you guys a quick little behind the scenes and just show you the backdrop, really focus on the backdrop that we have from pbbackdrops.com. The customer went with one of our most popular backdrops, which is the Hedge. And yeah, so without further ado, let's just cut a clip to the actual stand and then we'll go into the video from there. So here is the frame. This is what the backdrop will look like before you actually put the fabric on it. It's 7.5 feet by 7.5. They do offer over at pbbackdrops.com a 8x8, but we like this size because it actually allows us to fit in some tighter spaces. You know, the 8x8 would have been fine here, but you know, most occasions it's not. So again guys, I just want to show you how easy this thing is to set up. So you see here, everything is numbered 1 to 2 to 3, and then it goes on and on and on. So if you're you don't have to be a genius to set these up. I just wanted to show you guys the frame, and today's event the customer requested the Hedge backdrop fabric, so I'm going to open this up and put it on the backdrop. And also I want to mention, I didn't bring the white gloves. When you buy a backdrop from this company, they give you a pair of white gloves. That way you don't get it dirty with your hand oil or dirty hands. So always make sure to bring the gloves. So guys, here's proof that I've actually used these gloves. I didn't use them today just because they're filthy, but this is proof that they work, man. Look, if they're this dirty, you can only imagine how much dirt I prevented from being on this backdrop. So you guys always make sure you wash and use these when you use the backdrop. Also, a side note, if you're gonna buy these backdrops, take the extra 1 minute to tie the zipper on the backdrop at the bottom. Let me show you why. So a lot of times people will just leave that unzipped. There's actually a zipper here that'll zip it and make this whole thing super tight. I can tell a lot of people think that you can't notice, but the backdrop is a little wavy and you can kind of see some wrinkles in it. Let me just show you. I'm gonna zip this up and I'll show you the difference. So here it is, unzipped, and here it is, zipped up. Just looks a whole lot cleaner in my opinion. 1 minute, huge difference. All right, so everything is set up. Just a little behind the scenes video of, you know, coming to an event. And like I mentioned, you guys, this was an easy way to get a job. I talk about it in all my other videos. I'm always preaching, use social media. This was from a Facebook post. Literally took me 10 seconds, generated me $420. So hope you guys are interested in getting started. Watch my other videos, subscribe, like, and all that good stuff. See you in the next one.